Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing up new, okay? I mean on present. So let's get started. First of all, you have to check out for your Play Store. I mean you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and check out that if any update is available or not. If any update is available, then make sure to update your Spotify and then you will be able to see Spotify Wrapped on your home page, okay? Now let's see your problem is not solved, then you have to restart your device. If you are using Android or iOS, just restart your device. This will simply quick fix your any glitches. And lastly, clear cache of your Spotify from your settings. And if you are still facing this problem, then lastly you have to delete the Spotify app from your device and then restart it, reinstall it, and this will fix your problem. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.